morning. It is Thursday morning and I am heading to the gym. I'm about to get my morning workout in. It is very gloomy today, which I guess happens during the rain season, but I mean it's still freaking hot, so no complaints. It is actually like too hot. It's 32 degrees. Just look at me. I literally look like I just took a shower and I did cardio for 15 minutes. Like that's what you look like when you do cardio in 32 Celsius degrees. I mean, I don't think it's 32 there inside, but let's skip that. If you're looking for a good gym in Bali, Body Factory is definitely a good choice, but I must say that you must be like really into gymming because it is on the pricey side. It's like way more than my gym back home. But if you like working out and if you will actually work out every day, I think it's definitely worth it. I'm currently listening to this audiobook. It's called To Sell is Human by Daniel H. Pink. Basically, my manager told me that I should read it, so I am reading it. I think I will be heading back home soon because I have to eat before I start working. But to be honest, this place is just so good that I don't really feel like leaving. But you gotta do what you gotta do. Look at this. Like, what is life even? What is life even? I'm gonna start working a little bit earlier today because because I'm going for a meditation session later. Yeah, so I want to get done what I have to get done before I go to meditation. I have a slight issue. What do you wear to meditation? I know it sounds stupid, but hear me out, it is not that stupid. Basically, like, obviously, I guess comfortable clothes, right? In case anyone was wondering. Comfortable, yet meditation stylish. So I was kind of joking with meditation appropriate outfit, but at the same time, not really, because I must say one thing about Canggu is that it is a very cool place, but it is also a very weird place. Like in some way, it almost reminds me of Disneyland, just not like Disneyland. Like Disneyland for hip adults, hip young adults. Literally everyone you pass here is like young and fit and well dressed. And honestly, like I keep passing people on the street and thinking like, oh my god, I love her outfit, or I love his outfit. And you know, even though the vibes here are like chilled and relaxed and beachy, it's still like very fashionable, chill and relaxed and beachy. I'm done with the meditation session. What did I think of it? Well, it's hard to say what I thought of it. I loved the woman who was the instructor. She had this like perfect, calm voice, and it was just very pleasant and nice to listen to her. She was not annoying, and the things she was saying made sense, because you know, sometimes when people are talking about like your body and mind and connect to your soul and all that kind of shit, sometimes it can be so confusing that you're like, what the fuck is going on? Here it was not like that. I could understand what she was telling me to do. I honestly think that meditation is not something you enjoy when you basically do it the first time. I think it's something you must get into to enjoy, just the same like working out or anything really. It needs some practice. I just realized something super important. Today is Fat Thursday in Poland. Fat Thursday is basically my attempt to directly translate the name of the holiday. In Polish it's called Tłusty Czwartek, and it's basically a donut holiday. It is an official, I don't know if it's an official holiday, but it is like a Polish thing. It is not like one of these like trendy millennial new age holidays. No, it is like a thing. I just realized that it's today and I was so excited for it. And I was so excited when I was moving to Poland. I was like, whoa, finally I'll celebrate Fat Thursday in Poland and I will eat donuts. But guess what? I'm not in Poland. I was like, you know what, they must have donuts. I mean, they do certainly have donuts in Canggu, but then it started freaking pouring. Would it be too desperate to go and search for donuts in a thunderstorm? So I did manage to succeed. I also managed to succeed getting myself a pizza, which was not part of the plan, but ladies and gentlemen, I present you officially the most freaking expensive donut I've ever bought in my entire life. Also the tiniest. So it better be good. You better be good. Okay, official test try of the smallest and the most expensive donut I've ever got in my life. I mean, it's actually good, but it's just not a donut. That was a little bit of a fail. I think we just called it a donut because it's shaped as a donut, but it's not an actual donut. I tried, okay? I tried. Look what I just found. That is so cool. Good morning. It is another beautiful sunny morning here in Bali, and I'm gonna start the day with a walk at the beach. Man, I think like one of my biggest goals in life is to live. Okay, that is maybe a little bit of an exaggeration, but one of my goals in life, at least, it's like to live somewhere by the beach at some point in my life. So I have been in Bali for 4 days already. Yeah, this is my 4th day, and I still have not had a smoothie bowl, and I'm about to change the situation right now. I'm gonna go to Nalu Bowls. So Nalu Bowls used to be my favorite place when I was here 3 years ago. I was like literally obsessed with it, and when I was choosing my accommodation here in Canggu, I was like literally looking where Nalu Bowls was so I could stay close enough. Yeah, thank you.
Okay. 20 please.
What a fail. So I sat down at Nalu Bowls, ordered my uluwatu bowl, and then I realized I don't have a wallet. So I had to run back home to get my wallet. Yeah, so I can freaking pay for my uluwatu bowl. And I also decided to change because, you know, wearing a tight gray top in 32 Celsius degrees is not the greatest idea at all. Who would have thought? Who would have thought? So this is the ready creation. The Nalu Bowls was as good as I remembered, and as you can see, I did another outfit change because I realized I burned really badly at the beach this morning. It's like really like you live and you just don't learn, you know? You would think at 26 I would know that strong sun might cause me to burn, but no. I've been thinking something that I just wanted to share. So I guess you can see that I am alone here in Bali. I'm not gonna be alone this whole time. In 2 weeks my friend is gonna come and join me. Anyways, but what I wanted to say is that I actually think Bali is like the perfect place for a solo trip. One thing, it is pretty safe. Of course, you have to be, well, you have to keep your common sense as you do everywhere, but in general it is pretty safe. Two, I do see a lot of people alone here, or like, you know, people hanging out at the beach or sitting at restaurants with their laptops or just like eating at restaurants alone. So I really think it's one of these places where it's not really weird. I don't think it should be weird anywhere to eat alone at a restaurant, but I do know that a lot of people don't like that, and a lot of people find it uncomfortable. So if you are one of these people but you are thinking about trying solo traveling, I would highly recommend Bali for it, because I think it's just a good place for people who just like want to spend some time by themselves. These past couple of days in Bali were absolutely amazing, and I'm just so happy I came here. I am so happy that I have a job that allows me to work remotely. I am just, I don't know, I'm in a very, very good mood and just feeling very grateful, and yeah, I'm just very positive about life in general. But it's not hard to feel positive when you start your day with a walk at the beach and some Nalu Bowls. Bali is honestly a paradise. It really is. I love this place so much. I still have some work to do, so I'm gonna go back to work, and I'll see you tomorrow in another vlog. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this vlog, please subscribe to my channel. It helps me out a lot. And I see you for more Bali adventures. This time without work because it's the weekend.